Guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the regular puzzle, Four Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, it's the Wednesday, February the 28th, 2024. We have two puzzles left. The Four Stars Sudoku and the binary. I've already done the 3-star Sudoku. It's time now for the 4-star Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And the news of today, well, war day number 735. Yeah, 735 days ago the war started in Ukraine. And everything has been changed in the world. Enough about the war. Let me continue with this one. 4-star Sudoku number 8091. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Well, usually the 4-star Sudoku has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this a correct indication? We don't know. We'll see. 30 minutes or more. But for 26 printed digits, should be at 2 stars. Yeah, 2 stars puzzle. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4-star Sudokus in the additional. With 26 printed digits, should be at 2 stars for 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Question is this a 2 stars or 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Here we have 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left of 1 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left of 8 should be there. Then let me see. Need a 6 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 1 here. Okay. Let me see. 2. Need a 9 here. Need 8 here. Oh, 8. Well, in this column we need an 8. These 2 boxes can be an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. So the 8 in this column could be here or there. Here or there we see another 8 in this row, no 8 there. Only place left 8 should be there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left 8 should be there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. Right. How about need a 4 here? Need a 4 there. Need a 7 here. 7. Need a 3 here. Need a 2. Yeah. 2 in this column, first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between second column, the only 2 places left of 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so the first row. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so the last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit and number 2. Okay. And now, about 7. Thinking. 4. Need a 4 here. Yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Oh, there we have a 4 in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Okay. Well, need a 4 here. Well, we need a 4 there then. Okay, we need a 4 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4 in this big square. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. Right. Need a 3 here, need a 3 there. Okay. Need a 7 here, need a 7 there. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so the last row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the last column. So the column between, only place level 7 should be there. Mark those two boxes. Elevate to 7. We have a 7 now in the third row. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first row. 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between the second column, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in that row, no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. Alright. 5. Need a 9 here. Need a 6 here also. Interesting. 6. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first row, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 6 in the first row, 6 in one of those two boxes in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. Need a 6 here. 6. Alright. And now, let me think. Well, we have a pair here. Okay, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these two boxes. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright, we have a pair. We have a 6 in one of those two boxes and a 4 in the last row. We have a 4 and a 6 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Okay. 8, 5. 9, 5 and a 3. Okay, you need a 3 here. 3, 9, 5. 3, 9, 5. 5, 5. 5. Need a 3. Okay. Okay, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 in this box. These two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We have a 5 in one of those two boxes in the first row, so no 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 6 as a pair. Okay, so we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in the third row, 5 in one of those two boxes in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. One box left in this big square for the 1. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing here. Yeah. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 in this column. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 now in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. One box left in the middle column for the mod. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing here. Alright. So, need a 5 there. Okay. 2 numbers left now in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8. 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. 6, 9, 6, 5, 9. 6, 5, 9. Okay. 5, 9. Okay. How about the 4 then? Do we have all the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 4. Okay. 1, 1. 1, 1, yes. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 1 in these two boxes. But we have also a 1 in this row, so no 1 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in one of those two boxes in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And 1 box left in the third row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those two boxes. Yeah, 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So the column between. Second column, the only place left for the 3 should be here. And I've eliminated there the 6. So the 6 goes there. Here 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 5 are missing. We have a 3 in this big square. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9. 5 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. So 1 box left in this big square. For the number, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Here also 1 and a 9 in the third column. We have a 1 now in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And 1 box left in this big square for number 9. Then, how about these two missing numbers? In this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes and there. 9 and a 1. We have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. And the final two numbers, the 9 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Whoa. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm not faster. Yeah, I'm not faster than 50 minutes. 50 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.